Everybody, welcome to the video surprise of the day. Today's video surprise is on the GE side-by-side fridge, how to change the water filter. Before you get started, please remember to hit the subscribe button, the bell icon when you be notified new videos, and I really push that thumbs up. Thank you very much in advance. For the GE side-by-side fridge, changing the water filter is very easy. And you notice the water filter light will lit over here, just like on the left over there. See the amber color or orange color. So that means it's time to change the water filter. And you don't really have to buy the GE water filter. So you could buy a generic one to save some money at the same time. So this is the control panel. I'm probably going to do another video on that later on at a different time. So we have the generic brand, it looks like. AQUACREST, and the filter installed. So this one is old and it's alerting. So to take it out, you turn to the left. To take it out, that's to put it in, you just do the opposite direction. So it's not hard to do. Then again, you know, it's getting the white filter that fits your model. So I'm going to show you what I have. So the AQUACREST AQF-XWF is the one I have right here. There's no labeling. It says is for a particular model, I guess, but you know, it works really great. So all you need to do to take the other one out is twist it to the left. You see the arrow pointing to the left, so that's the direction you're gonna turn towards to take it out. And of course, usually I think around every 6 months or so, you probably want to change it anyways. And I think there's a timer that monitors this. This is a very nice compact size for this brand, so if you're interested in getting this particular filter. So I'm going to show you how to take it out. So all you need to do is just like that. Just twist it and you can pull down and it'll come out. You probably could turn off the water to do this just to be safe. I didn't have to turn off the water. It's going to be safe. So there's some water in here, so it's okay. You just need to empty that out if you don't want it everywhere. So why don't I do this right here? I'm gonna take this out and empty it out. Then I'll put the other one in at the same time. So if you don't mind the little water, it's okay, right? All right, I empty it out. This is the new one I have right now. So take it out the wraps. AQF-XWF. So it's just a generic water filter. So the different ones out there, I mean, unless you want to buy the OEM recommended one. So it depends when you want to filter. So there's a lot of different filtration out there that you want to look at. I'm sure that there are other generic ones as well that you could probably check out. And this one's not bad either. So we're going to apply this one over here. Notice there's some holes in there, so you have to put it in the right direction. Then you could twist and make sure it's tight, just like that. Simple as that, just to change the water filter in a GE side-by-side fridge. It's a really simple design, so it's not complicated at all. So some of the other models and different brands out there actually make it very hard, very difficult to change in particular. So keep that in mind. The thing next you want to do is actually reset. So hold this button for 3 seconds, the filter button, and notice that it will clear. Then you probably want to empty out 2 gallons to 5 gallons of water after that. I'm not going to show that in the video because it's going to take a long time. Then use a cup or pitcher and, you know, set it to water mode. Just push the button to water mode, then you could actually empty it out. So that's how simple it is to change the water filter in the GE side-by-side fridge. Hopefully this video helps you out. I really appreciate a thumbs up if you like this video. If you have comments to share to help others, please post it below. And if you have a question in particular, post it below. By the way, another thing I want to add, this fridge, you know, that we have over here has been very reliable. It's for 2 years already. It makes great ice. And the water is cool, the fridge is cool, and the freezer is great. So there's no particular problem with it in particular. Yes, you need to change the filter and it does cost some money. So that's the only thing that like any fridge is, you know, you're gonna change the water filter if you use that. Hopefully you like this video and I see you next time. Have a good one. Bye.